Hey, Zach here, and today I'm going to show you how to find your theme library inside your Shopify store and how to purchase a premium theme. So if you're logged in to the admin dashboard here of your store, you're just going to go, you might have to click on sales channels here if you don't see these options. But after you click on sales channels, this kind of thing would come up and you click on online store. Otherwise, you can see online stores just here, and I'm going to click on it. So then this pulls up what's called your theme library. And if you haven't purchased the premium theme yet, then you're going to see probably a free theme here as your current theme. And then you're going to see a trial of the premium theme that you want to get. So you can see in my case here in my store, I've got a trial of the prestige theme. And it's really as easy as just clicking this buy button here. If you already have your payment information on a file, it's going to do it. Um, Otherwise, you'll have to put in your payment information. I'm kind of scared to click this button because I don't know if that's going to like instantly buy it. Um, I'm just doing my store on a free theme, so I'll just leave it here. All you have to do is click the buy button. Although, yeah, then once you buy it, then you're going to see a button like here that says publish. So then you would want to publish that. And what that's going to do is it's going to make the premium theme move up here to your current theme. And then whatever you had up here before is going to drop down here into the theme library. I hope that all makes sense. If you have any questions, just let me know. All right, talk to you later.